Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we'll be driving I-10 east through New Orleans, beginning at US 90 Business. This video will be a replacement for a video covering the same road in our I-10 playlist from several years ago because this one is of better quality and will play back at a more reasonable speed. We enter I-10 in the Claiborne Expressway, named for the wide avenue that runs below it. This elevated viaduct was constructed between 1965 and 1972, and due to its aging infrastructure and the ruination of the neighborhood below, residents have been calling for its removal since around 2005. At ground level, the bridge marks the western border of the Central Business District and then divides the Treme and 7th Ward neighborhoods in half. Here, Claiborne Avenue diverges to the south, but the Claiborne Expressway name continues, although this isn't a commonly used name. We'll cut across the 7th Ward and St. Roch neighborhoods. Then, I-10 will separate the Gentilly Terrace and Gentilly Woods neighborhoods to the north from Desire to the south. We crossed the substandard I-10 high-rise bridge over the Industrial Canal, completed in 1965. While this bridge passes inspection, replacement of the bridge is recommended because of substandard load carrying capacity or substantial bridge roadway geometry. The bridge has too steep of a grade and is lacking shoulders, which are now required for an interstate highway. I-10 from here to Lake Pontchartrain is shown on some maps as the Eastern Expressway, although nobody commonly uses that term. After the high-rise, we'll be in the area known as Eastern New Orleans, or more commonly New Orleans East. Exit 240B accesses Chef-Mentor Highway, which is also US Highway 90. Here at Morrison Road, we enter one of the newest sections of I-10 in the New Orleans area, opened in 1972. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And hit the like button if you enjoy our videos. At Parish Road, the I-510 spur connects to I-10 heading to St. Bernard Parish. This is the western end of the original development with the name New Orleans East. Envisioned during the oil boom in the 1970s, New Orleans East was to be developed as a town in town, similar to the Woodlands area north of Houston, Texas. 3 identical interchanges were constructed, the first of which connects to Michoud Boulevard. The other 2, which can still be seen today as overpasses with no exit ramps, were never used, at least not to connect residential development to the interstate. Because eastern New Orleans, and particularly Michoud, rests on the edge of a fault line, the land and the levees protecting it are sinking. Recent geological studies project the rate of sinking to be around 2 inches per year. Due to the unstable ground and the oil bust of 1986, the project was abandoned. Much of this land later became the Bayou Sauvage National Wildlife Refuge, the largest urban wildlife refuge in the United States. We conclude today's video at the crossing of US Highway 11 and just before Lake Pontchartrain. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.